Have you ever thought about getting a whole house generator for a portable one or a single use application? We've done quite a few gas lines over this last summer and looked at prospective installations because of the winter storm back in February 2021. It's our goal not to only do the installation correctly, but also make sure that your safety as an end user is our top priority and following all the code requirements required by the Natural Fuel Gas Code. We've found that just because something can be done doesn't mean it should be done. When getting contractors, make sure you check their reviews and ask them if they have any pictures of their recent work, and make sure that you get an exact upfront price before you go ahead. It should always go without saying that you should only hire professionals who will take care of your home as much as possible while meeting your needs and the safety standards you expect. While it's important to have a backup source of electricity, it's also important that it's done in the safest way possible. Please let us guide you in the best application of the products that would work best in your area and for your needs, to make sure that these are installed safely and correctly. Remember everyone, safety first.